Hey babe, happy birthday.
Hello, happy birthday.
Today, we're making signs out of wood.
Today she's making me work on my birthday.
Well, you were in advanced art.
Yes, I was in 7th grade.
So,
I'm so glad you know that.
You just said it. That's why you said you'll be drawing.
Oh, this isn't for your
me.
Instagram. You're just like videoing.
It's for my eventual
cool
vlog.
Hi, Bradley. In the future, you're married now. How is it?
No. This is you won't be married.
Bradley,
after the
you're
bridal
still
shower.
single.
Yeah, but it is your birthday today.
It's my birthday.
So, for the shower, and just for life, I wanted Told You Wood signs, and the signs that say this way, that way, up, down, you know, that kind of crap. So this is going to be the Told You Wood sign. Bradley's family is very crafty, so they're helping me out. And then these are the this way, that way, yonder, up, down. We need to do another one that says go back. And we're going to cut these out, paint them, put them on a pole of sorts. And that's Sprint. Sprint! Hi! Sprint!
Let's go! Let's go right here! Sprint! Let's go! Let's go! Oh.
Good girl. So we'll keep you updated. Alice in Wonderland shower vlog 1. Bye-bye! Okay guys, so a bit of an update. You guys saw us, well not even me, Bradley tracing these out, and then Bradley and his dad helped me cut them out. These are just made of wood, by the way. They had some scrap wood and some sort of machine to cut it. I don't even know. But after we cut it, we sanded it down and then we painted them all these different colors. So here are 3 of them. And then I had my sister-in-law, Lenny, who was amazing at like art. Like she's amazing at drawing, so I knew she'd be able to copy this font really well. So I had her trace out the different words from the signs, and like Bradley actually like drew the signs from the actual shapes on the tree in the movie. So we picked the right words with those, and then she sketched them out for me, and then I'm now painting them in. So here are the 3 I haven't done. I have painted these 4. The Told You Wood sign is obviously my favorite, but they're turning out really, really cute, and we're gonna put the 6 smaller ones on some sort of post or stand. In the movie, they're just on a tree, but I want it to be like a stand that I can use at the shower, but also like for the rest of my life. But the Told You Wood sign is gonna be its own thing, and I freaking love it. I just love them so much, so let's get to painting. If you're curious, the shade I'm using is Deep Gray from Craft Smart. I was gonna go with black, but looking at the pictures, I liked this Deep Gray better. And it's just a little bit less harsh, so yeah. To a new project now. I found this on Pinterest and it came with a little template. So I just printed all of them and I'm going to attempt to cut these out and then glue them together. They show them either on little pipe cleaners like this, or you can get fake flowers. So we'll see what I end up doing, but for now I'm just going to cut them out and assemble, so I'll keep you updated. Okay, sorry about the glare, but what I have done is I've taken these little like place card templates. I just downloaded one for free online, and I also downloaded this font for free online, and it is called Risque. It's not focusing. It's called Risque. I just typed in Alice in Wonderland font and this is what came up and I love it. So I am making the place cards in this and I'm just gonna print this out on some cardstock and then just manually cut them out as the little place cards. Just cause it's cheap and easy and kind of fun. I enjoy the busy work. But I also made this little find your seat section situation, which we'll frame and put up somewhere so people can find their names and then find their seats. And the table numbers are different cards because we're gonna get some more of like the jumbo sized cards and turn them into little cute Alice in Wonderland cards, and then those will be like the table numbers. So you're at the table 2 of hearts or ace of spades. Find your seat. So I thought that was cute. So I'm going to print these out, I think on some blue cardstock, honestly, just because that's what I have. I want the tablecloths to be pink, and then the flowers are gonna be white and red. I don't know. I'm never too worried about colors because I feel like I just make it work. I don't know. I just love all colors. Why have I not turned down the TV? I'm totally watching the Kardashians. I'm also puppy sitting today. There's a little puppy butt for you. Okay, so these are the shades of cardstock I have on hand. I didn't know I had this cool gray color, so now I'm kind of into that. But that might be boring. I think this light blue will be pretty. Because, I don't know, it's colorful. I also have this darker blue, but I'm gonna go with the lighter blue. Oh. No, you stay there. There's too much on the floor in here that you'll eat. Nope, no. Ugh, too cute. Got my fam here. We're making table numbers, which I think I've already explained to you, but we are tracing out all the shapes. I just stuck on their little collars. So,
oh my god, look!
Yeah.
Alice in Wonderland theme.
Very on theme.
You know, here I am, doing it. Doing the dang thing.
We're tracing, we're cutting, we're sticking, we're gluing, we're out of focus. Okay guys, so here is the finished result. Well, this one's without the arms. I did the arms on the triangle. This table is a mess. I don't know if I love the arms, so I'm still trying to decide. I mean, I think they're cute and they tie it all together, but it also is just so cute without it. So I don't know if I mentioned this, but these are the table numbers. So there'll be a list when you come in that says like find your seat, and it'll be like the 2 of clubs table, which I think the club guy is my favorite with his little smiley face. So yeah, these are the table numbers. So they'll be stuck in those little table numbers in the center of the table. So I don't know, with or without arms, I don't know. They're just taped on so I can take them off if I want. But yeah, so they're super cute and they were super easy to make. Just construction paper. I ordered these jumbo cards on Amazon. I'll link them down below. They're 5 by 7, I believe. And yeah, just super cute. So hooray! Hi. Okay, we're trying to make this. Found it on Pinterest, but I just took a screenshot and I can't find the original damn pin, so we're trying to wing it. So, bought some cards and some foam board on the back, and we're just building it and we'll see what happens. Okay, so, to pick up where we were last night, I want to make this heart thing, which this is for, they have like a cake on it. I want this to be on the gifts table. I got a pack of 2 cards. I'm gonna have a seat. I got a pack of 2 cards and I'm going to affix them to like a gift box, but I knew that the weight of the cards would kind of make them lean forward. So I bought some like styrofoam poster board stuff because it's very stiff. So me and my sister-in-law Lenny cut out the shape of a heart, and I'm just gluing them, kind of, not gluing, I'm using double-sided tape. I'm kind of just like all sporadic to make like a really cool shape, and then we'll anchor it to the box. So I've done the 2 sides. Now I need to do the 2 humps of the heart, if you will, and I kind of probably will bring it like down a little bit, but I think it looks really cool, and I will have to get some more cards for the back because I think people might be able to see the back, so I just want to cover up the poster board, which is not that big of a deal. And yeah, I didn't realize that I bought blue and red cards, so I'm trying to keep all the blue cards like having face cards and then use the red cards as those. But yeah, I'm going to continue to build and I'll let you know. Okay guys, the lighting is very odd. I don't know why it looks so blue. Sorry about that. But the sign is finally done. I love the way it looks. As of now, we are a week out from the shower and I am just so pleased. So this is the base. It's a pretty big base. I might have them cut it down after the shower, but for now I'm gonna leave it that big just to make sure that it doesn't tip over or, you know, if like somebody bumps it or something. Oh geez, okay. Nobody bump this. But you guys, I'm just obsessed with it. So we got this pole, just made out of wood. I don't really know what I'm talking about, you guys. I had Bradley's dad and my sister-in-law's boyfriend, who is a very fancy engineer, come up with how to build this in the base and everything. So I just listened to what they said. But basically, we screwed these on the pole with some nails and then they made some sort of device to stick it in. So we could take it apart, which is nice because I can get it to the shower venue without needing a huge truck or like a van. So it'll fit in my car, which is great, and I am just so pleased with the way it turned out. I love the brown. I was questioning that color when I painted it, but I love it, and I just am so obsessed. So, yay! Okay, my kitchen is a mess right now because we just made all the flower arrangements and I forgot to frickin' film. But
Film the whole time?
I totally forgot. But I think I showed you me painting the roses red. I mean, the brush is red.
Painting the roses red.
And then so we arranged red roses. Also, don't mind it in there. It's a mess everywhere in here, guys. And then the white roses and red roses. And then my mom had a great idea to get floral wire and she hooked them to a stem. We just stuck them in there. And they look great. So we have 5 of these for the tables. These are the centerpieces. Yeah. I also had some other little vases. I have this teapot that I put some flowers in. These need to like open up. So hopefully that hurries before the shower. And then I just put baby's breath in these cutie little Alice teacup mugs. Love them.
great as Bradley when I get married. And my